on? You're watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw boots. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. But first, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, you're missing out. You should go subscribe right now. Well, a few supplies that we'll need as always includes a blank piece of drawing paper. You will also need a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. Now we're going to need a few different markers. We will need a light yellow. We will need a bright red. We will need a bright pink. You will need a baby blue. You will need a salmon. And last but not least, you'll need a maroon. Well, I think we can do really great on this drawing. Let's go try to draw boots. So let's see what we can come up with. For the first step of making boots, we're going to make one C shape, and then we're going to make a second C shape connected. Now we're going to make a line extending from both sides. Now we're going to connect both lines with a big U-like shape going from the left to the right side. Awesome. Now back up top, we're going to begin to make Boots' hair. We're going to make 3 big long hair pieces. The middle hair piece will be the longest. Now once we complete that step, on the right side, we're going to make the right ear, and then we're going to hop over to the left side, where we will make the left ear. If we ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now below Boots' head, we're going to make a big U-like shape. This will be the beginning of Boots' torso. Now we're going to make one curved line for the arm, and then we're going to make one more curved line. But this one won't be for the arm, this will be for the body. Then we'll make one more, which will be for the arm. This is coming along great. Now we're going to begin to make Boots' right hand. We're going to give Boots a total of 5 fingers. Now over on the left side, we're going to begin to make Boots' left arm and the left hand. Fantastic. Now we're going to make one line coming down. Then we'll begin to make Boots' boots and his legs. Underneath of the stomach, we're going to make a U-like shape, and then we're going to begin to make the right boot on the right side. Awesome. Now we're going to hop over to the left side, and we're going to do the same thing that we just did to the right side. Now for the tail, we're going to make one big curved line. It's going to curve up by the left hand. Then we're going to make a parallel line that will follow it all the way back to where it began. Now we're going to move back up top. We're going to add a circle inside of each ear for Boots. Then after we complete making those circles, we're going to make 2 big circles, one on each side for Boots' eyes. For each pupil, we're going to leave a small white dot in the middle. For the nostrils, we're just going to make a couple very small shapes. Now for one of the last steps, we're going to give our Boots a very big happy smile. But if you want to make your Boots sad or mad, that's completely okay as well. This is How to Draw Boots, and thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color in your boots with us.